This video tutorial I will explain what is encryption at rest. Encryption at rest refers to the practice of securing and protecting data when it is stored or at the rest in the database, on the server, in the cloud or any storage medium. The term rest here means the data is not actively being transmitted or used. Instead, the data is kept in a fixed location like when it is stored on a hard drive or in a database. We can think of encryption as the way of converting your sensitive information into a secret code. It is like locking your personal diary with a special code that only you or someone with the right key can understand. When the data is encrypted at rest, the data gets converted into unreadable format using algorithms. This conversion makes the data appear as a gibberish to anyone who does not have the decryption key. So even if someone gains unauthorized access to the stored data, they would not be able to make sense of the data without the specific key to decode it. The encryption process uses complex mathematical algorithms to scramble the data into an encrypted form. This ensures that even if hackers or unauthorized individuals access the stored information, they cannot interpret the data without the decryption key. Encrypting data at rest is crucial for protecting sensitive information like personal details, financial records, passwords, or any confidential data. It adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that if someone gains access to the storage location, the data remains incomprehensible and unusable without the right decryption key. Overall, encryption at rest is essential security measure to safeguard stored data from unauthorized access or breaches, and it provides a peace of mind that sensitive information remains protected even when it is not actively in use. Now we will see how to implement encryption at rest. Implementing encryption at rest involves securing data when it is stored in databases, on servers, or in any storage system. And we will see what are the steps involved in implementing encryption at rest. Step 1 is choose an encryption method. There are two encryption methods are there, symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption uses single key for both encryption and decryption. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of public and private keys for encryption and decryption. The second step is identify the data to encrypt. We have to determine the sensitive data that needs encryption. Sensitive data like personal information, passwords, and financial records. Third step is select encryption tools or libraries. Utilize established encryption libraries or tools available in your programming language or platform. For example, AES, RSA for Java or Python. The fourth step is secure key management. Ensure proper management of encryption keys. We have to store the encryption key securely using key management solution or hardware security models. Fifth step is implement encryption in database. If you are using database, you have to research how to enable encryption at the database level. Many modern databases which offer encryption features. Sixth step is file system encryption. Encrypt files or directories on the server or storage mediums using built-in OS encryption tools or third-party software. Seventh step is application level encryption. Implement encryption directly within your application. Encrypt the sensitive data before storing it and decrypt it when it is retrieved. Eighth step is testing and validation. Test the encryption mechanisms thoroughly to ensure they work effectively without compromising data integrity or performance. The ninth step is compliance and regulation. Ensure compliance with the data security standards and regulations relevant to your industry. For example, GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS. 10th step is regular updates and maintenance. Regularly update encryption algorithms and keys to maintain strong security standards. Now we will see some of the tips related to encryption at rest. The first one is backup strategies. Implement backup strategies that secure the encrypted data to prevent loss. The second one is user access control. Manage access to encrypted data carefully, allowing access only to the authorized user. Third one is education and training. Educate staff about encryption best practices to ensure proper handling of sensitive data. You have to remember encryption at rest is just one aspect of broader security strategy. We have to combine encryption at rest with other security measures like encryption in transit, robust access controls, and regular security audits for a comprehensive security posture. Always keep learning and adopting your security practices to stay ahead of evolving threats. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.